Hey there, welcome to today's math class. You worked on area and perimeter last week of different things that you could find in real life, such as measuring a fence around a garden or the distance around a rug. And as far as area, how much pepperoni covered the surface of a pizza. So a game that you guys love that also uses a lot of blocks is Minecraft. So today we're going to find the perimeter of Steve's hair. That's our question for today. What I did is I went around and I put a number 1 on the edge of each square. Notice that they're only numbered on the outside. So Steve's hair is measured in inches. We have to figure out how many inches it is on the outside of his hair. So I'll start here. I'm just going to put a check mark here. And this is something you can do at home. Obviously, you can't write on the screen, but keep track of where you start off so that you don't count that one twice. So I'll start here. It's 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so the last number that we got to got us to 24. So the total perimeter of Steve's hair is 24 inches. So that's the answer to our question today. What is the perimeter of Steve's hair? You're going to meet some other characters in your activity today with some questions about finding perimeter of different parts of them as well. Good luck.